Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited with 42,574 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Bassani exhaust, Screaming Eagle intake, Harley-Davidson smoked windshield, aftermarket horn, shift linkage, LED windshield trim, LED fairing grille lights, LED lower grille lights, and crash bar guards. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and an intercom. Showcasing a hand-finished paint and graphic scheme, the CVO Electra Glide stands out with factory custom details. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, it puts 96 horsepower and 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.3 inch seat height and weighs in at 944 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.